Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to share your Google Slides presentation in view only mode. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Slides website at docs.google.com right here and go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Google Slides, where you can see all the presentations that you have and that you can edit. You can go ahead and create a new one and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and open up the presentation that we want to share. I'm going to go ahead and just click on it right here, and after clicking on it, it's going to go ahead and open it up, and now we can go ahead and get started with editing the presentation, and go ahead guys and edit it until it is finished and ready for sending. So guys, now what we want to do is go ahead and click the file option right here in the upper left corner, click on file, and this will now open up this new menu with multiple options, and you want to go ahead and click on share, and in the share option you want to go ahead and click publish to web. So guys, go ahead and click publish to web, and here you can see you can get the link. So what you can do guys is select how you want to advance the slides. This is the regular. You can click start slideshow as soon as the player loads. If you want to enable that, doesn't matter, you can enable whatever setting you want, and after that click publish. After clicking the publish button guys, now you will get the link that you can go ahead and copy and send to people. So guys, go ahead and copy this link and send it to whoever you want to view it, and after they paste this link, they will be able to view your presentation in the new tab. So yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.